Hello, Mr. Shane, and thank you so much for taking the time to learn more about our strategic communication plan for the ConsoE company. The future is so bright for the electrical products manufacturing industry. Our plan outlines a dynamic strategy to promote your vision to grow the company, increase its national presence, and relocate the headquarters to Denver. My fellow communication officers and I have conducted focus groups with employees within the ConsoE company, interviewed board members and Wall Street analysts in order to gain a clear understanding of key stakeholders and company issues. Over the next few minutes, we will outline primary communication goals, present a risk analysis, and most importantly, what needs to be done and how we plan to do it.
Thanks, Diane. I'm Ryan Lee, and we recognize that ConsoE has two paramount goals: increase profits and boost our national presence, and we see expansion as the clear path to financial success. By building awareness of ConsoE's commitment to be America's leading producer and distributor of electrical equipment, we are certain that a profitable future for the company can be secured. With a mission to provide essential electrical parts for an industrial landscape, ConsoE's components have kept America operating for over 60 years. Customers can depend on our quality products and service, and we will continue to provide more solutions for a cleaner, brighter, and smarter future.
Thanks, Ryan. These really are exciting times. Hi, and my name is Rachel Caton, and I'm going to talk about the current economic climate as it relates to the growth of our company, ConsoE. Our company is experiencing a period of economic growth. This growth is due to low interest rates and job growth, along with a rebound of the U.S. housing market. Consumers are buying appliances, lighting equipment, wiring devices, communication and energy wires and cables. As communities rebuild after devastating natural disasters in Texas, Florida, and Puerto Rico, there is a high demand for essential parts and components.
That's right, Rachel. There certainly is opportunity to grow and expand. I am Pauline Hershey. Our strategic plan is intended to act as a blueprint for all communication activities of ConsoE over the next 3-month period and beyond. We want to ensure that everyone who has a stake in our endeavor is energized about the company's future. It is critical that both internal and external facing communication are aligned for optimal stakeholder support. We have identified and analyzed the following key stakeholders: Board of Directors, investors and employees, community and government, and consumers and suppliers. Our analysis reveals that the majority of the stakeholders will support our initiative to grow and boost awareness. We'll need to make sure that the employees are on board, as your plans to acquire more companies and reduce costs may have an impact on morale. Don't worry, but we have a plan to win their support. The potential adversaries include our competitors, for obvious reasons, and state and federal regulators simply due to the added expense of government regulations in general.
At this juncture, we've identified 3 central issues that emerged from the research. Moving headquarters from Los Angeles to Denver will require concerted effort in communication. News of the relocation was leaked by one employee and surprised other members. Several participants expressed concern and wondered about the impact on them personally. We do not foresee much resistance from investors and board of directors. However, further interviews will need to be conducted. The new location of our corporate headquarters will inevitably be welcomed by Denver, yet resisted by the city of Los Angeles. We are prepared for that.
In plotting growth and expansion, we determined that investors, suppliers, board of directors, consumers, and executive management are advocates. Factory-level workers and middle management may show resistance due to the potential of additional workload and the friction that can manifest when new employees are brought in from acquisitions. We've also identified that our competitors, along with federal, state, and local governments, may also put up roadblocks, and this further underscores the importance of building and implementing a comprehensive communication strategy and company vision. We'll be ready to bring adversaries over to our side. we detected some workplace tension amongst a wide range of employees in our focus group. We plan to turn that around immediately. Needless to say, positive employee engagement will be essential to win support of middle management and factory workers so that we can ease concerns and bring our team on board. As we move to activate our strategic company goals of growth and national presence, there are potential risks. Unstable economic factors, competition from abroad, fluctuating raw material prices, and dependency on large companies all threaten our profit margin and financial stability. Factors that affect our workplace include labor unions, national and state minimum wage increases, and mandated national health care initiatives. While the bottom line result of buying 7 to 10 companies is inevitably unknown, we know from experience that it takes time to fully integrate new companies into our ConsoE family and put to rest any litigation and regulatory issues that are inherited with acquisition. We are confident that our plan will counteract any backlash. We aim to garner support from divisions inside our organization, such as sales and marketing, legal, our board of directors, and human resources.
These goals reflect your vision, Mr. Shane.
Now onto the exciting part. Our first step is to inform our stakeholders. For the purpose of implementation, we have narrowed down our key stakeholder groups to 5 categories: employees, investors, the board of directors, customers, and the government. This will help us outline our communication objectives and keep us on point as we move forward. The message for all stakeholders is the same. The company prioritizes financial growth and national presence, but at the heart of this initiative is to recognize the innovative vision and mission in every aspect of the company. The goal of the communication team is to get everyone energized about your vision for the future. So what types of messages will resonate with our stakeholders? For employees, it's communicating that they have an important role to play in our success to grow and boost our national presence. Every employee matters. Transparency and information will be the substance of this messaging. We want them to understand why we are talking about these goals, why it's important for their personal well-being, and how it benefits our profitable growth. For the board of directors and investors, and especially those who have been with us for a long time, we want to honor the pioneering work of your grandfather, but get them on board with competing in a global landscape and keeping pace with new environmental regulations and demand. To our government agencies, we want to work with them on our operational progress and development of clean technology. Again, it's about information and transparency. We will continue to nurture and develop our relationships with our customers with an understanding that growth and national presence will increase our reputation, product quality, and service. We want to launch the first phase of the communication plan with an emphasis on face-to-face interaction. We believe a personal touch will be more effective as we roll out this mission and vision. We would like you, Mr. Shane, to be more actively involved and in the forefront of the employees, like how your grandfather used to walk the floor and mingle with the rank and file. People will appreciate that interaction and hearing your vision firsthand. We have been a strong company for 60 years, and we will continue to do so, reborn as a stronger company with a national presence. Increasing channels of communication will help to establish our identity on the national scene. In the first quarter of this communication plan, we want to inform employees and hear what they think. We can address some of their concerns that come up, and we want our headquarters relocation to Denver to get off on the right foot. You can really digest the key points through this pyramid. At the base of the strategy is to inform, so that stakeholders understand the future of the company. Then we want to convince stakeholders to believe in what we are doing, and finally encourage them to get behind the expansion and our brand. At the top of the pyramid is to encourage open communication so that everyone makes this the best company to work for, to buy from, to support, and to invest in.
After spending time in assessment and metrics, that's our plan in a nutshell. We hope you will support our endeavors. It's certainly an exciting time to be in this industry, and we welcome your feedback.